This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you had to choose one seed to lower your cholesterol and shrink belly fat, would you pick the wrong one? Both chia and flax seeds are called superfoods. Both are rich in fiber and omega-3s. But when it comes to reducing visceral fat and improving cholesterol, which one actually works better? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. In today's video, we break down the science behind chia seeds and flax seeds. By the end, you will know exactly which seed to choose, how much to take, and how to use it safely for real metabolic benefits. So stay with us, because this video will save you years of trial and error. First, let's discuss chia seeds. Chia seeds are extremely rich in soluble fiber and alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3. When soaked, chia absorbs water and forms a gel. This gel slows stomach emptying and prolongs satiety. When you feel full longer, calorie intake naturally decreases. Research suggests that increasing soluble fiber intake is associated with reduced visceral fat accumulation over time. However, chia does not directly burn fat. It supports weight management through appetite control and blood sugar stability. The gel-forming fiber can bind bile acids in the intestine. The liver then pulls cholesterol from the blood to make more bile, potentially lowering LDL levels. Some clinical studies show modest reductions in LDL cholesterol and triglycerides when participants consume about 25 to 35 grams daily. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, always soak before eating for at least 30 minutes, or preferably overnight. Introduce gradually to avoid bloating, and always drink enough water during the day. Use caution if on blood-thinning medications. Now, flax seeds, the cholesterol focus option. Flax seeds contain alpha-linolenic acid, lignans, and both soluble and insoluble fiber. Flax fiber slows digestion and improves satiety, though it forms less gel than chia. More importantly, flax has been shown in some studies to improve insulin sensitivity. Better insulin regulation can reduce abdominal fat storage over time. The lignans also have anti-inflammatory properties, which may support healthier fat distribution. Several meta-analyses have shown that ground flaxseed significantly reduces total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, particularly in people with elevated baseline levels. Take 1 tablespoon freshly ground flaxseed daily. Always consume ground flax seeds, not whole. Avoid in cases of bowel obstruction, as excess amounts may cause digestive discomfort. Use caution in hormone-sensitive conditions. Now, let us simplify the science. For belly fat, chia may help more with appetite control due to its superior gel-forming ability. Flax may help more by improving insulin sensitivity and lowering inflammation. For cholesterol, flax has stronger and more consistent clinical evidence for lowering LDL cholesterol. Chia provides benefits, but the effect appears slightly less pronounced. Neither seed alone will eliminate belly fat or normalize cholesterol without overall dietary control and physical activity. Now the important question is, should you combine them? Yes, and this may be the most practical strategy. You can use 1 tablespoon soaked chia in the morning and 1 tablespoon ground flax later in the day. This combination offers diverse fibers, omega-3 fats, and antioxidant compounds. For overall metabolic health, combining both in moderate amounts may provide complementary benefits. But remember, seeds amplify a healthy lifestyle. They do not replace one. Consistent protein intake, reduced refined carbohydrates, and proper sleep remain foundational. Tiny seeds can support big metabolic changes when used wisely. If you found this comparison helpful, consider subscribing to the Mindhunters for more science-based food comparisons. Let us know in the comments. Are you Team Chia or Team Flax? Thanks for watching. We wish you good health.